Hi all, welcome to my channel Sirisha Naga. So today here we are with vocabulary words again. We are doing S words today. So let's begin. First word of the day is soporific, which is an adjective and it means inducing drowsiness. So it's like you kind of tend to feel sleepy. That is nothing but soporific. We also have a drug by the name soporific. Okay, so it comes under noun, of course, and it induces sleep. Okay, so the example is the motion of the train had a somewhat soporific effect. So the motion, the rocking motion of the train, or the vibration that is coming through the train is inducing some sleepy effect on me, right? So that is soporific effect. Let's go to the second word. Second word is strident. It is also an adjective and it means a jarring sound or a raucous. Raucous is also another word that we are learning today. That means some extremely harsh jarring sound, right? And it also has another meaning, presenting a point of view in a forceful manner. You're trying to induce your point, like you're staying very strong on your point. So you're making people believe. And example is his voice had become increasingly strident. So it was like a harsh grating sound sort of a thing. And next example for the next meaning goes like this: public pronouncements on the crisis became less strident. Now we'll come to pronouncement. Pronouncement is another new word that we are learning today. So normally we have pronunciation. So it is kind of a thing like we make a sound in a particular way. That is pronunciation. Now what is pronouncement? It also means declare or announce in a formal way. You're declaring something in a formal way. That is pronouncement. So the example clearly states the meaning. Public pronouncements on the crisis became less strident. Right. So next, let's go to the next word. Next word, third one is scathing, which is also an adjective and it means severely critical or ferocious, and we can also say witheringly scornful. It is very scornful. It doesn't mean it is nothing but it is ferocious. Okay, let's go with the example. We'll understand it better. She launched a scathing attack on the minister. So it was a very critical and a very severe attack, and she was very ferocious while conveying her point. So she was attacking the minister. That is nothing but scathing. Let's go to the next word. The fourth word is subservient. It is also an adjective. It means being very dutiful or compliant. Compliant is nothing but you're trying to obey others' orders and you're not trying to question them back. So you're prepared to obey their orders completely. That is subservient. Sub itself indicates that you're being on submitting yourself. So the example is she was subservient to her parents. So clearly explained. Let's go to the next word. The last word of the day is siesta and it is a noun. So the only noun in today's words, others are all adjectives today. So what does siesta mean? It is nothing but a small rest, resting for a while, or we can also say an afternoon nap. Afternoon nap or a short nap, it is also called as cat nap because cat takes a very short naps, this is also called as cat nap. And you can also call like dozing off. You can also relate this to dozing. So the example is most of the shops were closed after lunch for a 2-hour siesta. The word sounds very like a kind of a stylish word, fancy word, but it means to take rest. Doesn't it sound good? Yes, when you write something good, when you start writing, all these kind of vocabulary, it enhances your writing skills, right? So let's quickly go to the recap of today's words. So recap of today's words: soporific, which is like making you drowsy; strident, nothing but a jarring or a ferocious, like a harsh sound; and raucous also means the same, jarring sound. Scathing. Scathing means like ferocious, and like scornful, being arrogant. And subservient is being obedient. Compliant also means the same, being obedient and dutiful. And pronouncement means like announcing something in a formal manner. And siesta is a short afternoon nap or a rest. Or rest, I mean. Not arrest, okay? Or rest. So these are today's words. Yes, so if you like today's words, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Sirisha Naga. So Sirisha Naga signing off for the day. See you with another video. Bye bye.